Hey guys, this is Olive Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a perfect pancake. You can say Nigerian pancake, but with a little twist. All right, this pancake, if you have been eating pancake, this is another level to it. So what I just showed you now is the flour. First of all, I chopped my onions very finely, and then this is my flour. I'm gonna be using a few quantity. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was supposed to use the measuring scale, but I already know the quantity that is good for my family and the quantity I make always for my family, so this is just for my family. All right, so you mix it, you add water to adjust. While you mix, make sure to mix very well. Add a little water at first, mix it, and make sure to make sure you have that consistency without any lump at all. Then you can keep adding water little by little. So this method is used so you don't have lumps in your batter. So this is me adding milk. So I don't have tin milk, so I melted my powdered milk with I dissolved some powdered milk with water and then added to the batter as well. So now this is me adding egg. I just finished adding my eggs, and then I'm gonna be mixing it. So you will see me doing a lot of whisking in this video because yeah, this video really needs, if I all about pancake, you have to do a lot of mixing and mixing and mixing. So this is sugar. I just added some sugar to this recipe, and I added enough sugar for the quantity of flour that I used. All right, so this is the star of the game, the nutmeg. So if you have been eating pancakes without nutmeg, please, I beg you, try pancake with nutmeg. You can just grate half a nutmeg, half a big nutmeg, and this is the second star of the game, vanilla flavor. So this flavor, I just put 2 3 drops, 2 to 3 drops is fine, and then you mix everything to combine. Make sure to mix very well so everything gets to combine very, very well. All right, so guys, if you have watched this video up to this level, please like, share, and subscribe to my Facebook, and also to my YouTube. um Guys, I will be bringing you different cuisines, different African recipes. So this is what I just added. I just added the chopped onions, and then I'm adding more water to adjust because I like my batter. I like my pancake very, very light. The lighter, the yummier, right? If there is any English like that. So I'm gonna be adding salt right now. So I'm putting salt to adjust the taste. Yeah, because sugar and all that, so you need salt to balance it out. So just put a little salt, and then I'm using my President butter. This is butter, right? So I just used this butter. I used the last portion, which is a very you see the quantity, that is the perfect quantity for the flour I used. So I melted it in my non-stick pan, and then I added to the batter. So what I would do now is to mix it and make sure to combine properly. Like, make sure you don't see any oil resting the way it is right now. So I will still mix it further to make sure everything combines properly. So at this stage, guys, I would like you to follow my YouTube page, and also please click like, follow this page, follow my Facebook page as well. Please click on like, share, and subscribe. Please share this video so every other person can see it. So I just transferred this batter to the jug. I like to use this jug for frying. So when I'm ready to fry, I use this jug. You see that? Because it has this pointed mouth that, so I can be able to control the quantity and the direction as well. All right, guys, you see I'm just cleaning up a little mess work floor. So you see that? That's mouth, that tip, that is what I'm talking about. hmm So now I just added a little more water and then, mix it. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. You see those things you're seeing there? Those are the chopped onions I added earlier. So this perfect batter for your pancake. All right, so I'm using extra virgin olive oil for the to pan fry to grease the pan for the pancake. We're not adding oil like a lot, so it's just to grease the pan. If you have the spray oil, that is even the better. You just spray it in and then yeah. So you see what I'm talking about? See why I use the jug? So you can control the direction as well and the quantity you put in. So this is me. I just added the first batch in the non-stick pan. So guys, non-stick pan is always the best when it comes to frying or I would say baking or pan frying a pancake. So you will need a non-stick pan. That is the best and the safest thing to use, right? So if you used any other pan, it might come out very burnt and eh. So you see that I just flipped to the other side. Guys, look at that golden color. This is exactly what we're talking about. If your pancake is not this color, you need to go get yourself a non-stick pan. You need this pancake to be this golden color. So right now I just removed the first batch. Guys, I'm gonna be making just two batches for this video because yeah, it's gonna make it too long if I had to fry everything in this batch. So you see the second batch is already on cooking and guys, look at that first batch. Look at this. Look at this yumminess. Look at this pancake. Okay, my pancake is this wide because my pan is wide. So if you have a smaller pan, you will have maybe a smaller size circle, pancake. So this is it, guys. I like to add honey to you know, spice up the yumminess. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. Mmm. So this is the best pancake you will ever taste, guys. Please, I beg you, try this pancake. Try it. You will see what I'm talking about. All right, please, guys, share this video, like this video, comment on this video. Please, I beg you, share this video to your friends, your family, your loved ones. Make sure everybody gets to try out this recipe, and also tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. If you have tried it, please let me know that you did try it, so I would also give you a shout out as well.